Hey guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to add a shipping address on the Amazon app. Before we get started, we all know that Amazon is an e-commerce platform where you order your items online. So now, where will they deliver it? So let me show you how. Like in the other videos, please go to the upper hand side of the screen. And here you will see a drop-down box and we go to our accounts. So once we go to our accounts, you can see here the different features of the Amazon app. And here you can see under orders, you can see your addresses. So let's just click your addresses. And here we can see we can add an address. So we click add address. So you can see United States, put any name you want. Then we put our phone number here, addresses. So that's one example. Then city, state, zip code, and just click the add address. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you learn how to add a new address on your Amazon account. Thank you so much for watching.